Hi everyone, my channel Know How is back again with a new episode. Previously, we have learned about the number system in brief. Hope it was helpful. The second episode is continuation of the first on the same topic, numbers. In this episode, classified number system will be further discussed. Hope you will find it helpful. So let's start with whole numbers. We already came to know from the previous class that whole number comes under integers, right? Now, we should keep in mind that whole number is a positive integer, including 0. And it's also a rational number, but not a fraction. Hence, you can relate further from this statement that it represents the entire thing and not any part of the entire thing like in decimal or in fraction form. Hence, the term derived whole numbers. Now, question may rise, why 0 is a whole number when we already know 0 is nothing or null, right? Now, answer is quite simple and yet perceptual. Well, one of the statements states a full 0 is a number on its own. It's an average of -1 and 1. Now it may lead to another question. How 0 is a number on its own, right? Well, 0 is nothing, but yet something which does not exist. It's just opposite to everything. Got it? I think not. Okay, fine. Let us understand by an example. Like you can see here, a little boy had a balloon in his hand. He was so happy, right? But suddenly, the balloon exploded. So he started crying as he left with nothing. Now, if we express this situation mathematically, how will we explain it? We will explain it as he had a balloon, that is number of balloon is equal to 1. Then after the balloon exploded, he had nothing. That is number of balloon left is equal to 0. So you see, thank God 0 was invented. Else it was tough to explain. So the statement 0 is a number on its own is right and has a special place along with other whole numbers. Well, keeping study beside, we also learn from this that each one of us matters, has a role to play and makes a difference, isn't it? May it be a 0 or a hero, right? Well, with good thoughts, let us move forward with the next topic, natural number. Now, you may think why natural number is called so, right? Well, natural numbers are counting numbers and a basic system of numbers. These are two simple numbers with no zero, no complication, no negativity or partitions. You can easily count these numbers with the help of discrete objects like your tiny little fingers, beloved pen you possess, beautiful flowers in your garden, or even gifts you got on your birthday. Now, if you start counting stars in clear sky at night, it may lead to infinity. Hence, natural number has smallest number as 1 and largest number uncountable or infinity, concluding that no largest natural number ever exists. Now, let us visit the topic integers. In the previous episode, we came to know about integers, that they are rational number without decimal and fraction. Now, talking about set of integer, question may arise, what is it? Right? Actually, the set of integer includes 0, set of whole numbers, set of natural numbers and their additive inverses. that is negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, etc. And the word integer came from the Latin word which means whole or complete. As you can see here, in the term of sets, integer can be expressed as follows. Well, for further easy understanding the mathematical expression, we may take an example. Okay? It's simply like integer is a box which is called set. The box has two openings and comprises negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers arranged in ascending order. But there is no place for decimals or fraction in this box. Now the box is closed from the both sides with braces. The whole box comprising the numbers other than decimal and fraction gives set of integer. Now, if you are asked which is the smallest integer and which is the largest, can you tell? Well, always remember these points. Number 1. Smallest positive integer is always 1. Now you may have a question, why not 0? Well, 0 is neither positive nor negative. It's a neutral integer. Okay? Number 2. Largest positive integer is always positive infinity. As discussed before, largest natural number is infinity, that's why. Number 3. Smallest negative integer is always negative infinity. As because negative integers are additive inverse of the positive integers having infinite countability. Number 4. Largest negative integer is -1. From these points, we can further conclude other important points like 0 is smaller than every positive number, every negative integer is smaller than 0, and 0 is neutral integer. Okay? Now for understanding it in better way, let us draw a number line. Okay? As you can see here, 0 in between -1 and 1 is neutral integer. Next, you can see an arrow moving forward right further from 0, right? This shows increase in value of positive integers as we go farther towards right. Again, here another arrow moving left farther from 0, which describes the decreasing value of negative integer as we further move towards left. Well, hope that this presentation further being handy for understanding facts about integers, whatever we have discussed just before. Okay, that's all for today. So we had discussions about whole numbers, 0, natural number and integer, right? Thank you for watching. Hope this episode was informative. We'll come back again with next episode on number lines and properties of integers and of course additional helpful facts. Till then, stay blessed, keep educating yourself, be resourceful and helpful because doing good does you good, right? Leave your suggestions and comments in the comment box below. It means a lot. And like, share and don't forget to stay tuned for upcoming episodes. Till then, stay blessed. Have a nice day. Thank you.